The seat saddle is ultra packable. Entire kit fits into an 8 by 8 inches by 10 inches carrying bag. Easy to store, easy to carry. Padded and removable seat gives option and comfort for extended use. Secure setup. Includes climbing grade rope and attachments. Lightweight. Entire kit weighs less than 4 pounds. Weight rating. 300 pounds, fits waist sizes 28-40. Top reviews from the United States. Great inexpensive saddle. I've been using this saddle all season, and the more I use it the more I like it. I don't know how this compares to other saddles because this is my first, but it certainly gets the job done. I wear a size 40 waist and this saddle is extended as far as it will go. If you're bigger than that you should try something else.